Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how to connect power cable to this Google TV streamer 4K device. See, this is a Google TV streamer 4K device. Let me check the ports. This is HDMI output port. Here we can connect HDMI cable from the TV. This is LAN port. Here we can connect Ethernet LAN cable. This is USB Type-C port. Here we can connect USB Type-C power cable. This is a reset button. We can press and hold this reset button. That way we can hard reset this device. This is LED light. Let me connect this power cable and power on this device. Done. And here you can see LED light. That means right now this device is booting. So this way we can connect power cable to this Google TV streamer 4K device. Please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.